Model, 71-plate Renault Master LML45TW dCi 145 energy low loader Luton box VAT included. Body, white, Luton, box. Mileage, 104,958. Engine, 2,299 cc 150 HP 6D temp, light duty, front wheel drive. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front wheel drive. Mechanical summary, will start but takes more cranks to start than average, runs perfect. Headgasket needs replacing, coolant is pressurizing. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, 0 former keepers, sat-nav, electric windows, air-con, cruise control. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.